Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to give you an update on the Spark program. Now the contractor has been announced. It is China Harbor Engineering Company, and work is to start on the program in December 2024. Now the Spark program is a $45 billion road upgrade program. They're going to be rebuilding 2,000 roads in Jamaica and doing some pipe upgrading as well. So 40 billion will be spent to upgrade the 2,000 roads, and 5 billion will be used to maintain the NWC pipes or upgrade them, because they don't want a case where the road is fixed and then a few weeks later there's a leak in the pipe and they have to dig up the road to get to the pipe. So they're going to be doing both programs at the same time. Now the government had shortlisted 5 contractors to work on the program. 2 Chinese contractors, Vinci out of France, a company, Legion Aviation out of England, and a company out of Canada. Now Legion does mostly airport runways. They've worked in Jamaica before, and they mostly focus on runways. The Canadian company, a massive company, and Vinci, the French company, they worked in Jamaica before on Highway 2000, and actually when they were building the North-South leg of Highway 2000, I think Vinci was still on the project, but they gave up the project. And China Harbor Engineering Company came in and finished it. So the contract had come down to the 2 Chinese contractors, but the government never indicated who the contractor was until this week. Well, they had shortlisted the 5 and put out a press release about the 5. But we were informed that the contractor was going to be a Chinese contractor, so it would have to be one of the 2. And it turns out it was China Harbor Engineering Company. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on China Harbor Engineering Company becoming the contractor for the Spark program. Work is expected to begin this month on the Shared Prosperity through Accelerated Improvement to our Road Network Spark program. The government on Thursday, December 5th, signed 4 contracts valued at $36 billion with China Harbor Engineering Company to undertake works under the project. Work will commence in St. Andrew Western, which is represented by Member of Parliament Anthony Hilton, and in St. Elizabeth Northwestern, which is represented by Member of Parliament Honorable J.C. Hutchinson. Manchester Northwestern, St. Andrew Northwestern, and St. Andrew East Rural will also benefit from works during the initial stages of the project. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, in his address at the signing ceremony, said the construction contracts are in 4 packages and are scheduled to be undertaken over 2 years, with an additional 1-year defects liability period, during which a contractor will be responsible for fixing any defects in the project. An additional $5 billion will also be spent on water infrastructure, of which $2 billion will be spent on water mains. So in total, it's about $38 billion that will be spent on infrastructure that will be in the ground, he noted. The 4 packages are as follows. Package 1, Kingston, St. Andrew and St. Thomas. Package 2, St. Catherine and Clarendon. Package 3, Manchester, St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland and Hanover. And Package 4, St. James, Trelawney, St. Anne, St. Mary, and Portland. That would total overall approximately $38 billion. $36 billion applicable to road infrastructure, the Prime Minister noted. He said that the National Works Agency will be responsible for the management and implementation of all works and will be supported by teams of engineers, consultants, and other technical professionals. CHEC's country manager, Dagran Bai, pledged that the four contract packages will be executed at the highest international standards of design and construction. So that's the end of the update article. So guys, let us know what you think about CHEC being chosen or being selected as the contractor for the Spark program. Alright guys, have a good day.